Hello, consumer math class. My name's Mr. Benson. Ms. Hoffman and I will be team teaching this class. I will be here at the high school on the days that you're at school. And Ms. Hoffman will be supporting you virtually, either in full distance mode or the days that you're at home. We're excited. This is a new class for us that we've created to help you understand money and spending. It's a math class, but there's going to be some components of economics and real world calculations throughout this semester or quarter. I'm going to spend just a brief amount of time talking through the setup of the Schoology course, what a day might look like, and also go over our course syllabus and what you need for this class. First of all, in order to view this video, you've probably already done this, but every day you're going to come into Schoology and we're going to have the class broken up into weeks. The week that we're on will be up at the top, and this is week 1. And then within week 1 you're going to have the days, and every week's going to work like this. This is day 1. You've already been here. And then you're either going to have videos and assignments listed here, or you might see this little piece of paper here and the videos and assignments in your to-do list are listed on this page. Anything that's blue is going to be a direct video link, and we're going to put the steps that you need to complete here. The video will be the first thing you do every day. And at the end of every day, you will either have an assignment or an assignment and an exit ticket. We're going to use the exit ticket to take attendance and also to briefly see what you know. A lot of times that exit ticket will be in the form of a Schoology assessment. It may be a 1 or 2 question assessment, but please make sure you do all of these things in this order. If you click on course syllabus, we're going to look at this to go over kind of the expectations of this class and a general overview of the class. Here's the contact information for Ms. Hoffman and myself and our course description. Like I said, we are going to be covering things like how to spend money, opportunity costs, which are things that you give up anytime you make a decision, whether it's with money or without money, paychecks, goal setting. The core standards that we're going to cover are listed here. These are the ones that we'll cover throughout the entire year. Communication. So this box here describes how you can get a hold of us and how we'll deliver everything. Your first point of contact is always Schoology. That's where you'll get your videos, your assignments, access your interactive notebook. You can also access us via email. And then we have our office hours listed here as well. Things that you're going to need for the class. You are definitely going to need a calculator like the Solar Texas Instruments TI-30. The Solar, because the order in which you do things is the same as you'll see on paper or on the computer screen. We will not, I repeat, do not have calculators this year to hand out to you because of COVID, so everybody needs their own calculator. More than a phone, this will help you relying on your phone calculator won't be able to do some of the functions that we needed to do in a timely fashion. For those of you who have had Ms. Hoffman and I before, you understand that sometimes we give pre-assessments or pre-skills to kind of see where you're at. And then at the end we give you a post-test as well. A lot of this class will be done via our virtual notebook, and I will show you that in just a second. But before I do that, I want to talk just briefly about our grading scale. Our grading scale, basically, if you have a 90 to 100, you're in the A range. 80s are in the B range, 70s are in the C range. Anything below 60 is considered an F. We also can grade based on IEP team decisions. Again, you need to make sure that you bring a calculator. It lists that here. We've already talked a little bit about attendance, that we're going to be using assignments and exit tickets or quick assessments in Schoology to see what you know and what you've done. Now I want to talk about our interactive notebook, which is a little different setup than we used in Advanced Math Grad. So this is a sample of our first interactive notebook. These tabs on the side will be corresponding to every day. So each day will be a new color tab. As you see over here, the first day is pink. This won't be day one today, but the first day that we actually get into the consumer math after our intro activities. It'll start with a prompt, things for you to think about, and then you will type in your responses here so Ms. Hoffman and I can monitor your progress, and also to help you start thinking and engaging about consumer math, which is money, goal setting, and topics. There will be a short little reading assignment in many of our days. If you are in class, I can read it to you. Otherwise, the videos may have it, or you can access Ms. Hoffman via distance learning to have that read. Then these questions correspond with this piece here. Consumer math does have some reading, but we know that you are all competent readers. It gets into some budgeting on day one, and Ms. Hoffman and I have embedded, some calculations here. In other words, some formulas to help you calculate and put your answers from here down to there. At the end of day one, you will see that it says down here, head back to Schoology for today's exit ticket. So you will return to our Schoology page and you would click on the exit ticket for that day. You could also get to it via the Schoology calendar. Look forward to seeing you in class in person. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day.